We turn now to our nation's capital. The president has invoked his executive authority to increase the federal law enforcement presence in Washington, D.C. Violent crime in D.C. is down 26% from the same time last year, but President Trump is claiming, quote, crime is out of control. Legal contributor Jessica Levinson joins me now. Jessica, what authority is the president using here in this case?
So it depends on what we're talking about. When we talk about the police department, the president has authority because D.C. is essentially under federal control. So the president doesn't have to declare emergency, doesn't have to point to a statute. The president can say to the Secretary of Defense, can issue a memo and say, we are taking control of the police department. When it comes to, the National Guard. When it comes to the police department, it's somewhat different. For the police department, I'm sorry if I misspoke, then you have to go through some different steps. You have to invoke Section 740, we see it up on the screen there, of the Home Rule Act, and essentially say that there are circumstances that warrant the federal control of the police department. First, you get 48 hours. Then if you give Congress notice, you get another 30 days. If you want more than 30 days, you have to ask for Congress to cooperate.
So that sounds like some hoops he has to jump through. Has he? And I'll just button it because we're going to run out of time. Does this open the opportunity for legal challenges?
Always opens the opportunity. I will say that we are right now living through a 3-day bench trial in California where there's a similar question when the president federalized the National Guard, sent them into Los Angeles, where I'm talking to you from now. It's a different question when it comes from D.C. D.C. does not have as good of a hypothetical legal case, again, because D.C. is largely under federal control. You could always see that suit, but it's going to be harder for D.C. than any other state or city in the country.
D.C., a special case. Jessica Levinson, thank you so much, as always.